Good morning, guys. Mark here with Myrtle Beach Generators. Today we are doing a Champion 22 kW. Now Champion has been around since 2003. They're real big in the portable market. They do make a whole home generator as well. So today we're doing a 22 kW up here in North Myrtle Beach. Just some information on Champion. They are one of the most competitive price points. They're probably a little overbuilt. So they're heavy, they're reliable, the consumer reports on them are wonderful. And today, me and Devin are going to switch up. So I'm going to be doing gas and Devin's going to be doing the electrical. Did I forget to mention, this is Champion's first aluminum body generator. So congratulations, Champion. Do the electrical, you do the gas. Devin chicken out. No, I gotta do the electrical. This is brand new to the market. Not a bad looking unit. Looks nice. Good color, good size. So congratulations, seeing it here first at Myrtle Beach Generators.